Brake pads are essential components of a motorcycle's braking system, responsible for creating the friction needed to slow down or stop the bike. They are pressed against the brake disc, rotor, by the brake calipers when the rider applies the brake lever or pedal. Over time, brake pads wear down due to the friction generated during braking, and they need to be replaced regularly to maintain effective braking performance. Worn brake pads can lead to reduced braking power and longer stopping distances, so it's crucial to inspect them regularly and replace them when necessary to ensure rider safety.